ProNest jobs provide you with an easy way of storing all the work you've done in ProNest in a single file. ProNest jobs have a .nif extension. This file is specific to ProNest. It's not NC code, and it can't be read by any other applications other than ProNest. Specifically, the job file contains nests. The exact state of all the nests in your job are saved. The part list, so all of the parts that have been added to the part list are saved. And your settings configuration, so all of your machine and process settings. So in regards to the settings, jobs are designed to work with the ProNest settings files that are installed on your computer. Each job is assigned a single machine. So in my case, if I save this job, this would be the Hypertherm PowerMax 125. And the settings are based on this in the job. So the job must be able to access the machine file in order to function properly. As you work on the job, you can customize your settings, and then when you save the job, those customizations, those customized settings will be saved in the job file, separately from the settings in the machine. So then later on when that job is opened, the settings from the job will be restored. All right, so let's run through how to save a job. It's very easy. You can just click the Save button here. I already have a job name. It's shown up here in the title bar. If you want to give it a different name, on the File tab, select Save As. Then you could just type in a new name. Okay, there are also job templates available in ProNest LT. Any existing job can be used as a template for a new job. So instead of building a new job from scratch and adding parts to the part list, you can just take the part list, all of the nests, and the settings from an existing job, and then use that as a starting point for the new job. So this can reduce time spent setting up jobs, especially if they contain a lot of commonly used parts. So if I want to do that, on the File tab, select New, and this time I'll select New from Existing. And now I can select an existing job here. We'll pick this automatic nesting job. Open. Okay, and now I've got a new job that's open, and it's using all of the parts and nests that were in that original job. So this provides an easy takeoff point as I start my new job. Okay, well this concludes the ProNest LT video series. Feel free to access any of our other resources if you need any more information on any aspect of ProNest. So the ProNest help, the knowledge base, or you can always give the tech support department a call if you need assistance.